Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will compare how to make tomato sauce without onion or garlic. First, choose the best ripe tomatoes you can find. Their natural sweetness and acidity are key. After washing, you'll want to remove the skins and seeds, perhaps by blanching and then using a food mill. This ensures a smooth texture. Then, gently simmer your prepared tomatoes over low heat. This slow cooking process is essential for developing a rich, concentrated flavor profile. Building flavor without onion or garlic is simple and delicious. Incorporate fresh herbs like basil, oregano, and a touch of thyme during the simmering process for vibrant notes. To enhance the natural sweetness of the tomatoes and balance any tartness, a pinch of sugar can work wonders. You might also consider adding a small amount of finely grated carrot. It provides a gentle sweetness and body without overpowering the tomato. Achieving your desired sauce texture is all about control. For a thicker, more robust sauce, simply let it reduce slowly over low heat, allowing excess moisture to evaporate. To further enhance its richness and color, stir in a tablespoon or two of good quality tomato paste. If you prefer a very smooth sauce, you can blend a portion of it with an immersion blender, or carefully transfer some to a regular blender, then combine. Now for some creative variations to truly make your sauce shine. For a little kick, a small pinch of red pepper flakes can add a wonderful, subtle warmth without overwhelming the other flavors. Always finish your sauce with a generous drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil just before serving. It adds a luxurious sheen and incredible aroma. And hey, while you're cooking up a storm, don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.